The collaboration that we're seeing in this room together between the public sector, the private sector, ESB, bus companies, consulting firms, people in the community, everything. We're hoping that between the school buses and eventually the trucking fleets, et cetera, going electrical, we'll be able to really improve the quality of life for everybody in the community.
We've been awarded over 400 electric school buses during that time, which is really exciting. And so the engagement is there. We see our vendors wanting to push this effort. And what we really need to see now is basically the implementation piece. So we have 400 electric buses coming down the road soon. And that means we need to have that infrastructure ready. We need the manufacturers, the dealers, the utilities, the community advocates all to be working together so that we can get those buses on the road.
First phase is going to be the GVC charging its own 49 buses and then supporting the other fleet owners in the Zerega Avenue and hopefully building that Power Up Bronx project to be able to generate more green jobs, support the light duty, medium and heavy duty vehicles in this area.